Hello, my dear students. I am Mukesh Kumar Ojha. I am faculty of Mathematics teaching in Jesus and Mary Academy. I am taking your class 9, chapter 1, rational number and irrational number. First of all, question arises, what is rational number? What is rational number? So rational number is in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q is a integer. For example, 0, minus 3, 2, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 3, minus 3 is to 1 by 2, root 4, etc. Here one question arises again, root 3, root 5, root 11, root 9 is a rational or irrational? So perfect square, perfect cube number is a rational number. Again, root 3, root 5, root 11 are not rational number because it cannot express in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. For example, find three rational number between 1 and 3. 1 is less than 3 and 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Mean value of 3 and 1 lie between this number. And again 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2, and this number line between 1 and 3. And again 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2, and also this number is lie between 1 and 3. Any number, any two number divided by 2 that finds between this number. Next, arrange in ascending order. Minus 2 by 3, 3 by 4, minus 4 by 9, 11 by 12. First of all, find the LCM of its denominator. Denominator 3, 4, 9 and 12. And LCM is equal to 36. And all fraction converts denominator in the form of 36. Minus 2 by 3 and 3 multiplied by 12, then denominator is 36. To 12 divide in denominator, then also 12 divide in numerator, and numerator is equal to 12 to the minus 24. And again next number 3 by 4, and 4 is multiplied by 9, then find 36, also 9 multiplied in numerator, and then find 27. Next number minus 4 by 9, and 9 is multiplied by 4, then result 36, and also 4 is multiplied in numerator, then minus 16. Next number 11 by 12, 12 is multiplied by 3, then find 36, and 3 is also multiplied in numerator, then result 33. Here clear that minus 12 is more or less than minus 16, minus 16 is more or less than 27, and 27 is less than 33. And it's clear that minus 24 by 36 is less than minus 16 by 36 is less than 27 by 36 is less than 33 by 36. And minus 22 by 36 is the value of minus 2 by 3. Hence minus 2 by 3 is less than minus 4 by 9 is less than minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 11 by 12. Clear? And again next topic, represent of rational number on number line. Represent of rational number on number line. Take example -5/2, -3/2, 1/2, -3/2 and 4/5. Represent on number line. First of all, take a line. Take a line and represent x and x dash and mean value 0 and left side negative -1, -2, -3 and right side positive 1, 2 and 3. First number -2/5 and -2/5 is also written as -2.5 or -2:1/2 and -2:1/2 lie between -2 and -3 and -2 and -3. Clear? But 1/2 that means half, and half yani denominator is 2, so 1 and 2 and this number is lie here. -2:1/2 is equal to -5/2. And second -3/2. -3/2 also written is -1.5 or -1:1/2. That's clear. This number is lie between -1 and -2 and denominator 2, 1 and 2 and this -1:1/2 is equal to -3/2 and also 4/5. And we know that numerator is less than denominator, whose number always lie between 0 and 1. 4/5, it's clear. This number lie between 0 and 1 and denominator is 5. So take 5 point between 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and nominator 4 and this number is 4/5. Clear, student? Next topic, next questions. Insert 5 rational number between 1/4 and 1/3. 1/4 and 1/3. First, find LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. And fraction 1/4 and denominators 12. So 4 is multiplied by 3, then result 12, and also 3 is multiplied in denominator 3/12 and again 1/3. 3 is multiplied by 4, then also nominator is multiplied by 4, then result is equal to 4/12 and again 3/4 and 4/12, but 3 and 4 not clear that ki how many number are lie between. So we know that we have write any number multiply, divide, add या subtract between numerator or same as denominator. So we multiply 6 numerator and 6 denominator. 3 multiplied by 6, 18 and 12 multiplied by 6 is equal to 72. And again 4 multiplied by 6 and 12 multiplied by 6, 24/72. And 18 and 24 and lie between number 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and hence 18/72, 19/72, 20/72, 21/72, 22/72, 23/72. Insert 5 rational number to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rational number. Second topic, irrational number. Second topic, irrational number. First question arises, what is irrational number? A number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q is not an integer is called irrational number. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 3 plus root 2 also. Root 2 is equal to 1.414213 and so on. Root 3 is equal to 1.73205 and both number, this type of number is also called non-terminating or non-recurring. Above discussion cleared that all non-terminating and non-recurring decimal are irrational. Again repeat, above discussion cleared that all non-terminating and non-recurring decimal are irrational number. Next example, so that root 3 is not a rational number. Root 2 is not a rational number, or root 2 is a irrational number. Prove that or show that. Let root 2 is a rational number. Then root 2 is written as p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and pq is an integer, no common factor other than 1. Squaring the both side. Root 2 square is equal to p by q square. Root 2 square is square and p by q square, p square by q square, and also written as p square is equal to 2q square. Equation first, yani this equation cleared that equation first, so that p square is a even number because factor of 2. Hence p is a even number. Again let p is equal to 2k. P is equal to 2k, where k is a integer, any integers. And again p is equal to 2k and put that number, this p square, that means p square is equal to 2k square. So from equation 1, p square बराबर 2q square and put the value of p square is this, the 2k square is equal to 2q square, or 4k square is equal to 2q square, and 2 4 that q square is equal to 2k square. Again, अब q square is a factor of 2. Cleared it? Q square is a factor of 2. Hence, q is a even number or integer. Thus, p and q have a common factor 2 other than 1, which contradicts that hypothesis that p, q are prime to each other. Hence, root 2 is not a rational number. Then, root 2 is a irrational number. Irrational number. Next topic, properties of irrational number. What is the properties of irrational number? First, negative of an irrational number is an irrational number. Negative of an irrational number is an irrational number. Second, the sum of rational number and irrational number is an irrational number. Any rational number and irrational number sum always be a irrational number. For example, 3 is a rational and root 2 is a irrational, and sum of 3 and 2 is always irrational number. Next, properties number 3. The product of a non-zero rational and irrational number is an irrational number. Non-zero rational 4 and rational 3, and product is equal to 4 root 3, and 4 root 3 is a irrational number. And next, properties 4. Sum of or difference of any two irrational number may be rational or irrational. For example, root 2 irrational number plus minus root 2 irrational number and minus root 2 and root 2 is equal to 0, and 0 is a rational number. Again, 9 plus root 2 irrational number minus 5 plus root 2 irrational number, and this root 2 cancel. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and 4 is also rational number. Next properties, the product of two irrational number or quotient of two irrational number may be rational or irrational number. For example, product of two irrational, root 2 is a irrational and root 8 is a irrational number. Product of this root 2 in root 16 and root 16 is square root of 4, and 4 is a rational number. Again, root 8 by root 2, and again 8 by 2, 8 is divided by 2, then root 4, and root 4 is equal to 2, and 2 is a rational number. And next property is 6. If A and B are two positive number such that AB is not a perfect square, then root AB is an irrational number. Then root AB is a irrational number. For example, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 6. Product of 3 and 6 is equal to 18, not perfect square, and AB root AB 3 into 6 root 18, and root 18 also written as 3 root 2, and 3 root 2 is a irrational number. Any doubt questions? That's point clear? Okay.